Hello. And it also can improve by avoiding stormwater runoff because the roots help block like pollutants going into water systems and everything like that, which I'll go into after. What are the environmental impacts? Well, again, less carbon dioxide in the atmosphere means less pollution and poor air quality, and hopefully would reduce global warming effects within these cities, such as like urban heat island effect. I'm sure everyone has heard of that. So open spaces and greenery can help cool these areas down, and reduce health effects as well that relate to heat stress. It can also prevent soil erosion and water contamination because their roots act like natural nets into the ground to stop soil runoff entering water systems. And they also add fertilizer when trees die to soil from falling leaves and dried branches. Forests also play a crucial role in regulating the local water cycle by absorbing moisture through their leaves and roots, and they act as natural reservoirs for rainwater, mitigating aridity in the atmosphere, and they can also preserve moisture levels in freshwater lakes and prevent them from drying out. And then, of course, with transpiration, adding water vapor into the air, causing cooler temperatures, stuff like that. So I really wanted to mainly talk about the social impact and why we should encourage these programs to occur in Massachusetts. The three main things that are beneficial for the social impact are community strength, ecotourism, and provides youth education. So we can't reforest these areas without our community being involved. There needs to be a bunch of different stakeholders within these areas, such as they bring agricultural scientists, foresters, business owners, lawyers, and community members all together, and they need to have conversation with each other and communication in order for these plans to work and thrive, also creating kind of a mutual respect for all of these groups. Ecotourism not only provides revenue to these communities through, if people are going to see these parks and open spaces and forests, if they bring their kids and the kids get cranky and hungry, they're going to want to get some food from the local deli or something like that, and provides revenue. But it also increases education and awareness on the importance of conservation and preservation. And that goes into the youth education, teaching the next generation to live with the land that we have and learn about the wildlife and the natural world and how we can really appreciate organisms that are native to their area. And most of these reforesting foundations, they provide educators to these communities while at planting trees or take them on field trips. Such as, what? Mass Audubon does this? That's crazy. So Mass Audubon protects over 25,000 acres of forest in Massachusetts, and it continues to grow. So their program that I've been really interested in looking into was Nature in the City, which partners with the Boston Tree Alliance. So Mayor Wu chose Mass Audubon to lead this program with the goal to plant trees in historically marginalized communities, to increase tree canopy in Boston and increase access to trees and teach people about the benefits of trees within these communities. The next program that also does similar things is the Greening the Gateway City Tree Planting Program, and that's through the Executive Office of Energy and Environmental Affairs. So a gateway city is a mid-sized urban center that anchors regional economies around the state. So this includes Barnstable, it includes Brockton, Fall River, Haverhill, Holyoke, etc. There are about 13 gateway cities that work in this program, and they have already planted 8,000 trees since the program began. So, in conclusion, reforestation is really important in Massachusetts and necessary for our economy and conservation to grow. And thanks to programs like Nature in the City and Greening the Gateway City Tree Planting, we can make our state greener and better than ever. Thanks.